सर्वेभ्यः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् अनुग्रहाय लोकानाम् अवतीर्णाय विष्णवे क्लेशापहाय कृष्णायाः पार्थसारथये नमः. So, in Bharata Sangraham, we stopped in the last class. We stopped with this slide. Satu tasya asaumyena rupena bhivatsamana swachakshushi pidaya tam upajagama. So here the context is uh, Vichitra Virya is no more. So Satyavati, in order to expand the clan of Kuru Vamsha, she called her son Vyasa, and after taking the permission from Bhishma, she sent her elder daughter-in-law Ambika Santanartham Kaninam Putram Vyasam Jeshtayam Snushayam Ambikayam Niyojayamasa. But Ambika was not interested. Asaumyena tasya asaumyena rupena bhivatsamana. Due to his uh, not a very charming appearance, she was not ready to be with him, to have a union with him. So she closed her eyes. With this, we stopped last class, right? 1 minute. Now we'll be moving on to the next line. Tad anurupa eva cha tasyam putraha putro jagye. Tad anurupaha. Tad anurupaha is accordingly. See, as Ambika closed her eyes, she was blessed with a son accordingly. Tad anurupaha. Tasyaha anurupaha eva. So, as she closed her eyes, the child that was born to her was also a blind child who was blind from birth. So, tad anurupaha eva, tasya anurupaha eva, cha tasyam. So that from that in her first daughter-in-law, that is Ambika. So tad anurupa eva cha tasyam putro jagne. So she was bestowed with a child accordingly. Tam Dhritarashtram ahuhu. So they named him Dhritarashtraha. Tam ahuhu, tam Dhritarashtram ahuhu. Tena pautrena aparitushta sa dasheyi kanishthayam snushayam ambalikayam punarapi tam niyojayamasa. Tena pautrena aparitushta. Though there was a child born to expand the clan of Kuru, Tena Pautrena, Pautraha here is grandson, Tena Pautrena, Aparitushta. See, by the birth of that child, that grandchild, who was blind by birth. So a blind man cannot rule a kingdom, cannot be the king. So Tena Pautrena, Aparitushta is unhappy. She was unhappy seeing that grandson. Tena Aparitushta sa Dasheyi. Dasheyi here is a name for Satyavati. Dashasya Kanya Dasheyi. The one who is the child of daughter of a fisherman. She's called as Dasheyi. So that Satyavati, Tena Pautrena Aparitushta sa Dasheyi. Sa Dasheyi Aparitushta. That fisherman's daughter, that is Satyavati, was Aparitushta, was unhappy. Kasmat Tena Pautrena, by the arrival, by the birth of that grandson. So what she did, Punarapi tam Vyasam Kanishtayam Snushayam Ambalikayam Niyojayamasa. So here Sa Aparitushta, Sa Dasheyi Aparitushta, Sa Tam Niyojayamasa. Sa Dasheyi Tam Vyasam Niyojayamasa. So again what she did, the Satyavati, who was not happy by the birth of such a grandson, sent the younger daughter-in-law Ambalika to Vyasa. So Kanishta is younger. Kanishtayam, Snushayam, Ambalikayam. So this Kanishtayam and Snushayam, these are the two adjectives for Ambalika. All are in Saptami. Kanishtayam, Snushayam, Ambalikayam, Punahapi. Again, तं नियोजयामास, तं व्यासं नियोजयामास. So तेन पौत्रेण अपरितुष्टा सा दाशेयी कनिष्ठायां स्नुषायाम् अम्बालिकायां पुनरपि तं नियोजयामास. As the result of the first union was not good, the Vamshavali got a grandson. Though it got a grandson, the grandson was blind. So a blind Raja cannot rule a country. So she was extremely unhappy with the result. So Aparitushta is unhappy. Who was not happy? Sa Dasheyi Tena Putrena Aparitushta Kanishtayam Snushayam Ambalikayam Punarapi Tam Vyasam Niyojaya Masa. Okay. Sa tu tat samagame harini bhuta iva abhavat. So harini bhutaha here means it's like harini here doesn't mean like deer and all. Harini here means she turned pale during their union. She was not she was a bit scared. Sa here goes to that Ambalika. Sa Ambalika tu tat samagame tayoho अम्बालिका व्यासयोः समागमे हरिणीभूता इव अभवत्. She became very pale. तत्स्वरूप एव तस्यां पुत्रो बभूव. तत्स्वरूपः is तत्समानरूपः. Accordingly, she was blessed with the son. So that's what they say, no, when the pregnant woman, whatever the thoughts, wherever the surrounding she is, and however she behaves, the child will imbibe, child will get all those qualities in it. So tatsarupah eva tasyam putro bhabuva सः अपि सः पुत्रः अपि पाण्डुः इत्येव अभ्यदायि. So he was also named as Pandu. So this is the meaning of the whole paragraph. So I'll just repeat once, then we will see the word to word meaning and whatever the Vigraha Vakyam and Sandhi and all we will see. Okay, so as Ambika was not, the elder daughter-in-law Ambika closed her eyes during their Samagamam. Ambika was blessed with a child accordingly, and the child was named as Dhritarashtra. He was blind from birth, Janmandaha Saha. Tena Pautrena, so the Satyavati, who was unhappy by the birth of such a grandson, what she did, she sent the younger one. Younger one is Ambalika. She sent Ambalika to Vyasa again. But Ambalika, what she did, she didn't close her eyes, but she turned pale. She was very scared of this one, Vyasa. So Tatsarupaha Eva here means Panduhu itself means white or pale. So Pandu was very weak by nature. He was very unhealthy and also pale. See, they say no, there are even nowadays, immediately after the birth of the child, they check certain scores. I don't remember the name of the score. The child should be pinkish color. It should not be pale. It should not be too yellow. If it's too yellow, it's bilirubin and all. So in the same way, that Sarupa eva tasyam putro babuva, he was a child who was born, who was also pale and not very healthy. And he was also named as Panduhu. So here, if we see the Samastapadam, tadanurupa tasya anurupaha. As she closed her eyes, tasya anurupaha eva, samana rupaha eva, tasyam putraha putro jagne. Tasyam in her, putro jagne, here is Visarga is turned into Ukara. Then Gunasandhi, putro, jagne is again litlakara, janir pradurbhave, prathama purusha ekavachanam. Tam Dhritarashtram ahuhu, and they called him Dhritarashtra. Tena goes as an adjective for Pautrena. Tena Pautrena aparitushta, na paritushta, aparitushta. Here, so pari tush is the dhatu, toshaha, we get santosham, no? So tushtaha here is ikta pratyam, strilingam. So aparitushta, na paritushta, aparitushta, it goes as an adjective for dasheyi, sa dasheyi, that Satyavati, that Dashasya Putri is Dasheyi, it is Ikaranta, Strilinga like Nadi Shabda. Kanishtayam, Snushayam, Ambalikayam. So this Kanishtayam, Snushayam, these through Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam goes as an adjective for Ambalika. Ambalikayam, Punaha, Api. Punaha plus Api, Punarapi, Visargasya Repaha. Tam niyojayamasa. Again, ni yuj yojayamasa is in lit. Okay. It is in lit lakara. Then sa tu tatsamagame. Sa here goes to Ambalika. Ambalika tu tatsamagame. Tayoho samagame or tasmin samagame. In that particular union or tayoho, whatever the union they had between them. Harini Bhuta iva abhavat. So Harini Bhuta. Here there is a pratyaya called Chvi pratyayam. Abhuta tatbhave Chvi. She was not pale before, but she became pale during their samagamam. So they say this Chvi pratyaya is added at this context for three dhatus. One is bhu, another is as, another is kr. So harini bhuta iva abhavat. So ahariniha, aharinaha, harinaha, bhuta, harini bhuta. So that's chvi is, you get the dirgha here, like surabhi karoti, shukli karoti, like that. Harini bhuta iva. So bhuta plus iva, bhuteva, I is gunasandhi. Bhuta iva abhavat, savarna dirgha sandhi. तत्सरूपः एव samanam rupam sarupam. Samanam rupam is one who has the same form. Samanam rupam sarupam. Tasya sarupah samana rupah. Tasya tatsarupah eva. Here visargasya lopa. Tasyam putro bhabuva. Okay. In the same way, she was blessed with a child. Again, putro bhabuva, you have visarga sandhi here. Then bhabuva is lit, bhudatu, prathama purusha ekavachanam. So api, saha plus api, so api, visargasya ukaraha, then gunaha, then purva rupaha, so api. Panduhu iti eva abhyadai. So panduhu plus iti, panduriti. Iti plus eva, panduhu plus iti is panduriti visarga sandhi. Iti plus eva, ityeva is yan sandhi. Ityeva plus abhyadahi, ityeva abhyadahi is avarna dirgham. Abhyadahi again is, abhi is the upasargam and dha is the dhatu, lung, and it is prathama purusha ekavachana. Okay. He was called, so it's in karmani prayoga. Okay. Is it clear? I'll go to the next slide. Okay. Then पुनः च अनभिमते तत्सङ्गे स्वश्वा नियुक्ता सा द्वितीया आत्मनः भुजिष्यां शूद्राम् अलङ्कृत्य प्राहिणोत् सुतरां दुर्लभेन तत्समागमेन कुतूहलिन्यां तस्यां विदुरनामा सर्वगुणसम्पन्नः सुतः जातः. So पुनः च अनभिमते. So she wanted to, she sent this Ambalika again to the king, or I think Ambika again. Punahacha Anabhimate. She was not interested. Satyavati sent the daughter-in-law again, but she being not interested in the union, what she did, Sadvitiya, again I think it's Ambalika only, Sadvitiya, the second daughter-in-law, Atmanaha Bujishyam, Shudram, Alankritya, Prahinot ityukte Preshitavati. So Punahaja Anabhimate, she was not, Abhimatam is consent, giving a consent opinion or a agreement. Punahaja Anabhimate, as she was not interested, Tatsange Anabhimate, when she was not interested in the union again, but she was Sadvitiya Shvashra Niyukta. She was sent, or she was asked to join Vyasa by the mother-in-law. What she did, Sadvitiya Atmanaha Bujishyam Shudram Alankritya Prahinot. She dressed her maid. She being not interested in the union, had sent her well-dressed maid to Vyasa, Prahinot. Shudram here is low caste women. Sutaram durlabhena tat samagamena कुतूहलिन्यां तस्यां विदुरनामा सर्वगुणसम्पन्नः सुतो जातः. सुतराम is extremely दुर्लभेन दुःखेन लब्धुं शक्यः दुर्लभः. तेन दुर्लभेन तत्समागेन समागमेन. See, the maid aware of understanding or having the awareness of the greatness of Vyasa, she understood it is very difficult to get such an acquaintance for her. So she was very excited by the union. Okay, so Kutuhalini is excitement, who was excited. Kutuhalinyam tasyam Viduranama Sarvaguna Sampannah Suto Jataha Tasyam Bujishyayam. So in that Sevikayam, Dasi Janayam, Tasyam Viduranama Sarvaguda Sampannah Suto Jataha. There Vidura took birth. Suto Jataha. So what was his name? Vidura Nama. His name was Vidura. And what is the adjective for Vidura Nama? Sarvaguda Sampannaha. So the meaning of this sentence is Satyavati sent the second daughter-in-law Ambalika again. But she, being not interested in the union, had sent her well-dressed maid to Vyasa. The maid, who was aware of the greatness of Vyasa, and she also understood to get such a, it is to get the and it is very, she understood that it is very difficult to get such an acquaintance. She being a Bujishya, Dasi Jana, how can she get an acquaintance with union with Vyasa? It is very difficult. So she became more excited during their union. Hence, accordingly, she was blessed with a son called Vidura, who had all the divine qualities present in him. Sarvaguna Sampannaha is one who is bestowed with all great qualities. Okay. So, Punahacha Anabhimate Tatsange Swashva Niyuktasa Dvitiya Atmanaha Bujishyam Shudram Alankritya Prahinot. So, the main sentence here is Sa Dvitiya Shudram Prahinot. This is the main sentence. So, Sa Dvitiya here is the second daughter-in-law. Dvitiya is second. Here it means Ambalika, the second daughter-in-law. Shudram Prahinot. She sent her maid. Bujishyam Prahinot. Shudram is one who is born in a lower caste. Bujishyam here means Dasi. Sa Dvitiya Bujishyam Prahinot Preshitavati. What is the adjective for this Dvitiya? Niyukta, Shvashra Niyukta Sa Dvitiya. Shvashru, who is Shvashurasya Stri, is mother-in-law. Okay, it's a Ukaranta Strilinga Padam. Shvashruhu, Shvashrahu, Shvashra. Very tongue twisting. So, Shvashra Niyukta Sa Dvitiya. Bujishyam Alankritya, by decorating her, Prahinot Preshitavati. Why did she send her? Punahacha Anabhimate Tatsange. Punaha is again Anabhimate, disinterested, who was totally not interested in Tasmin Sange. Tasmin Sange Punahacha Anabhimate Sati Sadvitiya Shashvaniyukta Sadvitiya Atmanaha is self. Atmanaha Bujishyam, her sevaki, her servant maid. What is the adjective for that? For her? Shudram Bujishyam. The Dasi who was born in a lower caste. Alankritya. Alankaram Kritva. Prahinot Preshitavati. Okay. So again, here is Punaha Cha Anabhimate. So Punaha plus Cha Visarga turns to Sakara. Then you have this Chutva Sandhi. Punascha. Anabhimate, na abhimatam, anabhimatam. You have na abhimatam, anabhimatam, tasmin anabhimate. So, punaha cha anabhimate, punascha anabhimate. It is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Tat sange is tayoho sange. This is Tritiya, Shvashruva. Niyukta is again, Ni is the Upasarga there. Yuj is the Dhatu and it is Ikta Pratyaya Strilinga. It qualifies Dvitiya, Niyukta Sa Dvitiya, Atmanaha, self, Bujishyam, Sushudram, Alam Kritya. So here, Alam is a Alam is a avyaya, and it is followed by kr, is a dhatu there. In the place of twa, lyap is substituted. It is not like generally, when before the dhatu, if an upasarga is added before the dhatu, in the place of twa, lyap is substituted. But here, alam is not an upasarga. So according to, I think, samase anai purve tvo lyap. According to that sutram, here alankritya is after getting her decorated. Prahinot is preshitavati. Pra is the upasarga. He is the dhatu here. He gatau vruddhau cha, and it is in lang lakara. Pradama purusha ekavachana. Okay. Sutaram durlabhena तत्समागमेन कुतूहलिन्यां तस्यां विदुरनामा सर्वगुणसम्पन्नः सुतो जातः तत्समागमेन तस्याम् अम्बालिकायां सर्वगुणसम्पन्नः विदुरनामा सुतो जातः तस्यां सुतो जातः. That is the main sentence. सुतरां दुर्लभेन तत्समागमेन कुतूहलिन्यां तस्यां विदुरनामा सर्वगुणसम्पन्नः सुतो जातः. So tasyam sutaha jataha. In her a child was born. Okay, a son was born. How was it? How was the child? How was he? Sarva guna sampannaha, who was bestowed with all good qualities. So the sarva guna sampannaha goes as an adjective for sutaha. And what was his name? His name was Vidura Nama. Okay, so Sutaram Durlabena, with great difficulty, Dukkena Labdum Shakyaha Durlabaha, Tena Durlabhena Tatsamadamena, Tayoho Samagamena, by that union, Kutuhalinyam, Kutuhalam Asyaha Asti iti Kutuhali, Kutuhalam Asyaha Asti iti Kutuhalini, Ini Pratyaya, Tasyam Kutuhalyam, Halinyam, Tasyam. विदुरनामा विदुरः नाम यस्य सः विदुरनामा सुतः सर्वगुणसम्पन्नः सर्वगुणैः सम्पन्नः सर्वगुणसम्पन्नः सुतो जातः. Okay, so here Sutaram is an avyayam. Durlabhena goes as an adjective for samagamena. Kutuhalinyam goes as an adjective for tasyam, who was excited. Viduranama sarvaguna sampannaha sutaha. These two words qualifies sutaha. Suto jataha. Here you have the visarga sandhi. Jataha again nya. It is an ikta pratyaya. ज्येष्ठस्य जात्यन्दतया कनिष्ठस्य पारशवतया च मध्यमः पाण्डुरेव राजा बभूव. So again, now what happens? What is the condition of the Kuru clan? The elder one, Jeshtasya, the elder one, that is Dhritarashtra, Jatyandataya. The elder one, the eldest was blind from birth. The youngest son was a Brahmana by low caste women. Parashavaha is a child who is born to a low caste woman from a Brahma, through a Brahmana. So the youngest son was of a Brahmana by low caste woman. The middle one, Pandu, became the king. So that is the meaning of the sentence. So Madhyama Panduhu eva Raja Babuva. Panduhu eva, Pandu himself became the king. That is the main sentence. Okay. What is the adjective for Panduhu? Madhyamaha Panduhu eva. Madhyamaha is one who is born in the middle. So center one. So first one is Dhritarashtra, the last one is Vidura, the middle one is Panduhu. So Madhyamaha Panduhu eva Raja Babuva. What is the reason behind that? Jeshtasya Jatyandataya. So Jatya Andaha Jatyandaha. So Jeshtasya is Pratamaputrasya Jatya Andaha. So he was Andasya Bhavaha Andata. So Andaha is blind. So blindness we say, no. So Andasya Bhavaha Andata. The being in the state of, one who is in the state of blind. So when the Andasya Bhavaha Andata, Jatya Antaha. Jati here means not the Jati we talk about. Jati here is Janma. Janmana Andaha Yaha Saha Jatyandaha. One who is blind from by birth. From birth. Okay. So Viduranama, so Jeshtasya Jatyandadaya and Kanishta is the youngest one. Kanishtasya Parashavataya. Parashavaha is Shudrayam Vipradanayah. So Vipra is Brahmana. Viprasya Tanayah Shudrayam Yada Udabhut Tasya Putrasya Parashavaha iti nama vartate. So Parashavataya, he being a son born between a Brahmana father and a low caste stree, Madhyamaha Panduhu eva Raja Babuva. So Pandu became the Raja. There is no one there to become Raja, so he has to take the position. So Jati Andataya, Jati plus Andaha, Andataya, Jatyandataya is ends on the पारशवतया शूद्रायां विप्रतनयः मध्यमः पाण्डुः प्लस एव पाण्डुरेव you get visarga sandhi raja babuva isn't it okay so okay आम्बिकेयस्तु सुबलकन्यां गान्धारीं भार्यां लेभे सापि तादृशाय वराय आत्मानं पितृभ्यां दित्सितं यदा शुश्राव तदैव पत्यौ मम असूया माभूत् इति स्वे अक्षिणी अपि पटैः सम्यक् बद्ध्वा स्वयमपि अन्धा इव भूत्वा पतिव्रतात्वम् अन्वर्तयामास. So the meaning of this paragraph is the son of Ambika, that is who is Dhritarashtra, got or married. Lebe is to get. Praptavan ityartha. So Ambikeyaha is Ambikayaha putraha Ambikeyaha. That is Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra Gandharim Bharyam Lebe. He got or Praptavan Bharya Rupena Gandharim Praptavan Saha Dhritarashtra. Ambikayaha putraha Dhritarashtra. Okay, then who was she was the daughter of Subala. So Dhritarashtra married Gandhari, the daughter of Subala. Sa api, sa Gandhari api, tadrishaya varaya atmanam. So the moment Gandhari says she was, when they came in seeking alliance for Dhritarashtra, when Gandhari's father was ready to give her hands to Dhritarashtra, immediately the moment Gandhari heard that her father was willing to give her hands to Dhritarashtra, immediately she decided on one thing. What? The husband doesn't have eyesight. He was blind. So the husband should not become jealous of her having eyesight and himself deprived of eyesight. So she immediately thinking in such a way, she immediately covered or concealed her eyes with clothes and also became like a blind person. Okay. So by doing this, what is the name she got in this world? By doing such an act, she remained as a, what to say, as a testimony of chastity. Pativrata. Pativratatvam anvartayamasa. So she stood. She was very, she, what to say, made the true sense. Anvartanama is, see, if I name somebody as very intelligent, jnani, but he doesn't have any jnanam, then the word is not suitable for him. Anvartayamasa is made true to the sense that pativratatvam anvartayamasa. So this is the meaning of this sentence. Now we will see word to word meaning. Ambikeyastu Subalakanyam Gandharim Bharyam Lebe. So the main sentence is Ambikeyaha Gandharim Lebe. Okay. Ambikeyaha is Dhritarashtra. Got Lebhe is Labdhatu, Lebe, Lebate, Lebire is in Litlakara, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Ambikeyaha Bharyam Lebe. So this Ambikeyaha is Ambikayaha Apatyam Puman, that is Dhritarashtraha. Bharyam Lebe, got a Gandharim Bharyam Lebe. So he got Gandhari Bharya Rupena Labdavan Nityartha. So what is the adjective for this Gandharim? Bharyam, Gandharim one, another one is Subalaganya. Subala is the name of a king. Subalaganya, Tam Subalaganyam, Gandharim, Bharya Rupena, Ambikeyaha Lebe. Okay, so here Ambikeyaha is Ambikayaha Apatyam Puman, Dhritarashtraha. Ambikeyaha plus 2. Here, Visarga is changed into Sakara. Subalasya Kanya, Subalaganya, Tam Subalaganya, Gandharim, all Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Lebhe is Labdhatu, Litlakara, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Sa api. Sa here qualifies Gandhari. Sa Gandhari api. So sa plus api, sa api Savarna Dirgam. Tadrishaya Varaya. So Vara is the groom. So Tadrishaya Varaya Atmanam Pitrubhyam Ditsitam Yada Shushrava. Ditsitam here is Datum Ishtam Ditsitam. Dadane, and it's in Ikta Pratyam. So Ditsitam Shushrava Atmanam Pitrubhyam is parents. So so Ditsitam Yada Shushrava, when she heard that her father is going to give her, make her marry Dhritarashtra, Tadrishaya Varaya. Tadrisham is a Vara of that type, means a blind person. Atmanam is self. Pitrubhyam Ditsitam Yada Shushrava. The moment she came to know that her father was ready to give her in marriage to a blind person. So Shushrava here is Shru Shravane, and it is Litlakara, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, meaning is heard. When she heard, the moment she heard, Tada eva. So Tada plus eva, Tadaiva is in Vriddhi. Patyau mama asuya ma bhoot. So, தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா பதி பதியில் பதி கிட்ட பதியினிடத்தில் என் விஷயத்துல ஒரு அசூயா இருக்கக்கூடாது. So the husband should not have any asuya is jealousy. Okay, ma bhoot. He should not. Mama here means mama vishaye mat krite ityartha. Pathyu, in the husband, mama asuya ma bhoot. Pati vishaye tasmat saptami here. So okay, pati sambandhini mama asuya when you read the sentence for once, it looks like that that Gandhari should not have asuya, but it doesn't. If we take it in that sense, no, it doesn't hold good. So Pathyo mama asuya ma bhoot. So here the pati, there should not be any, with respect to me, the husband should not have any asuya. Asuya patyo ma bhoot mama vishaye. Okay, asuya, jealousy. Patyo in the husband, mabhoot. Let him not have jealousy. Towards whom? Mama vishaye, mama krite. Okay, so again, mabhoot is namang yoge. Sutrena luni abhoot akarasya lopaha bhavati. Idi, so thinking thus, so she could anticipate. She understood if the wife doesn't have, if the husband doesn't have eyesight, if he is a blind man, if the wife, she didn't think it the other way. If the husband doesn't have eyesight, let me be helpful. But what she thought was, let him not feel jealous about me having the eyesight. Jealous in the sense, let him not feel bad that the lady is married to a blind person. Iti Swe Akshini. Swe Akshini here is Swa Swe Swaha, Swam Swe Swaha. So here Swe comes as a this one. What do you say? Object. Swe Akshini, Akshini. So Swe Akshini, her two eyes, api also. Pataihi is cloth, with the cloth. Samyak bhadva. Here just was Sandhi. Tightly, nicely tied. Swayam api. She also. Andha iva bhutva. She also remained like a blind person. Pativratatvam anvartayamasa. What is pativrata? Pativratayaha bhavaha pativratavatvam anvartayamasa. So she made the true sense of being a pativrata, being a chaste woman. Saapi Tadrishaya varaya Atmanam Pitrubhyam. So here Sapi is Savarna Dirgha, Varaya plus Atmanam is also Savarna Dirgha. Pitrubhyam Ditsitam Yada Shushraha. So when she understood the desire of her parents, Tada eva, Tasmin Samaye eva, Pathyo Mama Asuya Mabhut iti Swe Akshini Api Pataihi Samyak Bhadva Swayam plus Api Swayamapi Swayamapi plus Anda Swayamapyanda and Andha plus Iva Andeva Gunasandhi Bhutva Pativratatvam Anvartayamasa. Anvartayamasa is Arth is the Dhatu, Arthayamasa, Anu is the Upasarga. So Anu plus Arthayamasa Litlakar. Okay. Pandostu Madri. So now Dhritarashtra has married Gandhari. What Gandhari did and what is the background, everything has been described. Now the next part goes to Pandostu Kunti Madri iti dve bharye babuvatuhu. Pandoho tu. So Pandostu. So Pandu had two wives. That is the meaning of the sentence. Pandoho tu. பாண்டுக்கோ அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம்ல தமிழ்ல. So பாண்டோஹோ து குந்தி மாத்ரி இதி द्वे भार्ये. So பாண்டோஹோ द्वे भार्ये बभूवतुः. So he had two wives. बभूव बभूवतुः. Lit vivachanam. So पांडोहो tu one is Kunti, the other one is Madri iti द्वे भार्ये बभूवतुः. He had two wives. एकदा sorry sorry एकदा सः नृपः महता बलेन मृगयार्थी सभार्यः वनम् अगच्छत्. सः तत्र तत्र मृगान् वराहान् महिषान् अन्यांश्च वन्यान् श्वापदान् घ्नन् यदृच्छया क्रीडतः हरिणमिथुनस्य पुमांसं स्वशरस्य शरव्यम् अकरोत्. So now we are coming to the story. Which is going to be the reason for the death of Pandu. Ekada. So once what happened? Once the king, so I'll tell you the meaning of the paragraph. Once the king Pandu, desirous of performing the going for a hunting expedition along with his wives and a huge army, he left for forest. In the forest, while hunting the deer, boars, buffaloes, and other wild animals in the forest, accidentally his arrows became the target of a male deer. A pair of deer were enjoying their time together. Okay, so between them Pandu killed the male deer. This is the meaning of the paragraph. So we'll see the word to word meaning. Ekada saha nripaha vanam agachat. So saha nripaha vanam agachat. That is the main sentence. That king here is Pandu. Okay. Saha Panduhu, Raja Panduhu, vanam agachat, went to the forest. How did he go? Mahata balena. What is the adjective for Saha Nripaha? Mrigayarthi. Mrigaya is hunting. Mrigaya is a akaranta strilinga, like Ramashabdam. So arthayate iti arthi. Yaha mrigayam arthayate iti mrigayarthi. So arthi, it goes as an adjective for Nripaha. How was the Raja? Mrigayarthi Nripaha. One who was interested in the hunting expedition. Saha Nripaha Vanam agachat. He went to the forest. With whom? Mahata balena. Balaha here means not strength. Balaha is Sena. Okay. Mahan balaha, Mahata balena. Tritiya vibhakti. So Mahata balena, with a great army, with a huge army. Sabaryaha. So Sabaryaha goes as an adjective for Nripaha. Sabaryaha is in Pullinga. Bharyabhyam saha vartate iti sabaryah. That is, it qualifies Pandu. So there are two adjectives. Saha nripaha vanam agacchate. Saha mrigayarthi nripaha vanam agacchate. Saha mrigayarthi sabaryah nripaha vanam agacchate. Saha mrigayarthi sabaryah nripaha ekada mahata balena vanam agacchate. Okay, so ekada is once. Saha Nripaha, that king, Mahatabalena, with a great sena, with a great army. So how was the Nripa who was in thirst, who wanted to uh, do the hunting, who want to experience the hunting expedition. Mrigayarti, Sabaryaha. So Bharyena, Bharyabhyam, he has two wives, Kunti and Madri. So Bharyabhyam, Sahavartate, iti Sabaryaha. Sabaryaha san Nripaha, Vanam Agachate. Agachate is Lang. So Saha, that Panduhu, Tatra ityukte, it's not like there and there. तस्मिन् प्रदेशे इत्यर्थः तत्र तस्मिन् प्रदेशे मृगान् वराहान् महिषान् अन्यान् च वन्यान् श्वापदान् घ्नन् यदृच्छया क्रीडतः हरिणमिथुनस्य पुमांसं स्वशरस्य शरव्यम् अकरोत् सः पुमांसं शरव्यं स्वशरस्य शरव्यम akarot. So pumamsam is the pums sakaranta pullinga, it's a dvivachanam. Pumamsam, the harinamitanasya pumamsam sharavyam swasharasya swasya sharaha. Sharavyam is the lakshyam. So he made the male deer the target of his arrows. Okay. So saha Pumamsam Sharavyam Akarot. Okay, this is the main sentence. Saha Panduhu Pumamsam. That Harinamithanasya Pumamsam. Between the male and the female, he hit the male deer with his arrows. Sharavyam here is Lakshya. Sharane Vyayati iti Sharavyam. Okay. He made the male deer the target for his arrows. Okay. Saha Pandu Tatra Tasmin Vane Mrigane Varane Mahishane. Mrigane is deers. Mrigan is deer. Varahane is boars. Mahishane is buffaloes. Anyane cha Vanyane. Other Vanyane is wild. Vanyane, Shwapadane is like four-legged animals like a dog. Shwapadane, Ghnan is Han dhatu. It is in Shatru Pratyam. Okay, Ghnan, Hanti, Hataha, Gnanti. In the same way, in Shatru you get Ghnan, not Hanan. So Ghnanan, Ghnan, Yadricha is accidentally. My professor always used to say the word Yadricha, without our plan, if something happens in life, no, all are prarabdha karma vashat ityartha. Yadricha iti shabdasya prarabdha karma vashat. Due to our karma, such thing will occur. Okay. So Shwapadane Ghnan Yadrichaya accidentally Kridataha Harinamitунस्य Pumamsam. So this Kridataha comes as an adjective for Harinamitunaha. So Harinamitunaha is Harinayoho Mitunam, the pair of deer. So Kridataha, what were they doing? Kridan, again Shatrupratayam, Shashti Vibhakti. Kridataha Harinamitunasya. So the pair of deer playing there. Tayoho Madhye Pumamsam, the male one. Swasharasya, swasya sharaha, swasharaha, tasya, swasharasya, sharavyam akarot. So sharane vyayati iti sharavyam. So sharavyam akarot. So he made those pumamsam, harinamitunasya pumamsam, swasharasya, sharavyam akarot. He made them the target or the lakshya for his. So it's not that, see, he has made the male deer the target of his arrow by mistake. Not purposely, he didn't aim at this thing, and I think he did by mistake. It was when he was sorry. It by purpose only he did, because he has gone there for a hunting expedition. He didn't know that the deer was that the sage was in the guise of has taken the form of a deer. He was unaware of that time, during that time. So Saha Panduhu Tatra Tasmin Vane Mrigane. So Mrigane is again deer. Varahane, Mahishane plus Anyane, Mahishane plus Anyane, Mahishane, Anyane, Anyane plus Cha. Here you have the Sattva Sandhi. Okay, Padante, Nagaraha, and Sakara with Anuswara as Adesha or Chandrabimbam, anything will come. So Anyane plus Cha, Anyancha, Vanyane, Shwapadane, Ghnan is Handatu Chaturpratyam, Yadrichaya, accidentally, Kridataha qualifies Harina Mitunasya, both are in Sashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Pumamsam is Sakarantaha, Pums Sakarantaha, Pullingaha, and it is in Vivachanam. So, Puman, Pumamsau, Pumamsaha, Pumamsam. Swasharasya, Swasya Sharaha, Swasharaha, Tasya, Swasharasya, Sharavyam Akarot. So, he made it as a target. Next is. Okay. I think, shall I stop with this? So that. Vidyarthi is like Mrghayarthi, yeah. Ghnan is, it is a Shatru Pratyayam of when he was killing, when he was hurting, continuous tense it comes. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Any more questions? 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll just put. Yeah, somebody has raised the hand. Subbalakshmi Mahodaya. Vadantu.
नमस्कारः आचार्य तत्र श्वापदान् इत्युक्ते किम् अर्थः श्वापदान् घ्नन् इति अस्ति खलु श्वापदान् इत्युक्ते कः अर्थः
Shvapadah is the four-legged animals we say, no? That is Shvapada.
अस्तु धन्यवादः धन्यवादः आचार्य
Matangi Mahodaya. Vadantu. You are in mute, Matangi Mahodaya. You have to unmute. Vadantu.
In the sentence Ekadam, in the sentence Ekadam,
your voice is not audible, madam. Can you ask again?
Is it
you can type if your speaker is not. Ekada. Yeah.
In the sentence Ekada Saha Nirupaha Mahata Balena
and Rupaha.
Brigati Sabayasto.
Madam, you can, I think you can type this thing. Your speaker is not okay, it's not at all audible. You can type it. Reply. I will reply.
Okay, type.
Lalita Karthikeyan Mahodaya. You are also in mute.
नमस्ते महोदय
नमस्ते.
तत्र हरिणीभूते इत्यस्ति किल पेल् इत्यस्य अन्य किमपि पदम् अस्ति वा संस्कृते
पाण्डुः.
No, for pale any Samskrita padam?
I'm not getting it now. I'll tell you.
Okay, ma'am. You can just tell in next class also, no problem.
Sure.
And one more thing is, तत्र यदृच्छया पुस्तके शरमव्यम् अकरोत् तत् पूर्वम् अस्ति तत्र अनुवादं अन्वय संथिङ्ग् कृतं वा यदृच्छया क्रीडतः इति अस्ति पुस्तके तत्र हरिणमिथुनस्य पुमांसः स्वशरस्य यदृच्छया शरमव्यम् अकरोत् इति अस्ति
I think while typing they have, see in Pro I told you in the very first class, no, it doesn't matter.
But anyway we can just toggle also, no artha.
In Sanskrit there is no rule that the noun should be in the front, verb should end, come at the end, nothing like that.
Yeah, that's but still I want to ask you whether is there any difference is there? Normally no, but
I think typing while typing probably. Even in the original text, no? It is
Yeah.
Kridakaha Harinamitunasya Pumamsam only. Swarasya Edirchaya comes before Sharavyam.
Sharamabhyam.
That is okay. Yeah.
अस्तु अस्तु भगिनि तदेव
Shankari.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः. Shankari Ramesh Mahodaya.
नमस्ते महोदय
नमस्ते.
बुजिष्याम् इत्युक्ते कः अर्थः
Bujishya iti dasi ityartah, servant maid. Akaranta स्त्रीलिङ्ग Bujishya.
अस्तु महोदय धन्यवादः पुनः श्वपताः चेत् चतुर्
Four-legged animals like Shwa. Shwa is dog, no? So, we say
all
the
animals
family, with dog family, we say.
no all animals are four-legged, no? Is it an
He was aiming only at four-legged animals.
that means he doesn't aim at bird.
Vanyane is Vane Bhavaha Vanyaha. Tane Vanyane Shwapadane Gnanne. While he was eating them, he was targeting at them. This happened accidentally. Understood?
अस्तु महोदय धन्यवादाः
Amita R. Kamath Mahodaya. Dantu.
महोदय
Hmm.
हरिणमिथुनस्य पुमांसं द्विवचनय द्वितीया विभक्तिय
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏಕವಚನಂ
एकवचनम्
ಏಕಮೇವ ಮಾರಿತವಾನ್ ಖಲು
एकमेव
पुमान् पुमांसौ पुमांसः पुमांसं इति द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं
द्वितीया विभक्ति अस्तु महोदय धन्यवादः
पुमांसं शरव्यं ओके वा नेक्स्ट ललिता कार्तिकेयन्
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः ललिता कार्तिकेयन् महोदय अपि अस्ति वा
आं भगिनि
वदन्तु
तत्र इदानीं टैप् एव कृतवती दित्सित इत्यस्य सन् प्रत्यये वा भगिनि डब्लिङ्ग् अपि अस्ति दादातु डब्लिङ्ग् भवति परन्तु ददाति
या सन् प्रत्यये एव आफ्टर् दट् दे हव् एडेड् इक्त प्रत्ययं वित् दट्
भवति दा इत्थवती ददातु दत्तः तादृशम् एव भवति
दातुमिच्छा दित्सा बट् हियर् इन् द काण्टेक्स् इट्स् गिवन् अस् दित्सितं सो ऐ स्टक् टु इक्त प्रत्ययम्
अस्तु धन्यवादः भगिनि धन्यवादः तत्र श्वपदान् मीन्स् फाक्स् वुल्फ् तादृशमपि अन्य
we say cat family, dog family in
yeah, that's what because he don't want to write in everything already he wrote
being a raja no king will target a parrot or a
yes
dog. So,
धन्यवादः
okay I think yeah tell me
in the sentence ekada saha nirupaka mahate balena mridayasti sabhavyastu so it is instead of mridayasti can you say mridayartam it will not come here
mrigayartam ananga agacchati is okay but mrigayartam
okay.
qualify in nrupaha
but here mridayasti is adjective for the king or
king only
see so we can write even as mridayartam
see artayate iti arti so it comes that you know
okay
tapaha asya asti iti tapaswin tapasvi is the prathama vibhakti so mrigaya artayate iti arthi mrigayam mrigayarti mrigaya yah mrigayam artayate sah mrigayarthi
he is going for hunting like that can you tell
mrigayartam vrajanne manam agachat something we can say
okay
yeah then what is it Subbalakshmi Mahodaya asked something I'm not able to understand okay that ma bhoot is like when abhoot comes before abhoot is a lung form of bhu dhatu so namang yoge by that sutra that akara gets lopa so ma When you're writing it with ma abhut, you won't write ma abhut. You write ma bhoot. Okay, that is what I think Tejas Mahodaya asked that. Kavi on Sri Krishna, how to get a copy of textbook. I'm not very sure, madam. You have to search in archives.org. Mrigane, Varane, Varahane, Mahishane. So all these are, you can, if you want, if you feel it is very confusing, you can write it as separate word. Mrigane, kama, Varahane, kama, Mahishane, kama, Anyane, Vanyane, Shwapadane, Gnanne. So Saharaja, that king, Mrigane is deer. You can't say deer is in English. That's why I said deer. Mrigane is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Varahane again Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Mahishane is same. Anyane, Anyane, Vanyane is not only, he was not hunting only the deer, boar and the buffaloes, even he was hunting the other animals as well. But Anyane cha Vanyane. Some anonymous attendee asked. Okay. Ekada Saha. Okay, Matangi madam, I answered your question. I think you asked everything. Oh no, it's a single word, Edirchaya. Okay, then, okay. Any more? Subbalakshmi madam, you have a question?
आम् आचार्य, तत्र श्वापदानि इति श्वा इति प्रकृतिः भवति वा इति अहं पृष्टवती.
Swapadaha is, I think it should be a compound word.
Compound word.
Like the leg of the Shwa is the dogs, no? Swapadana is like, you take it as one thing, like the group of the animals that fall under the category of the dogs, cat-like animals, Swapada.
अस्तु अस्तु आचार्य, धन्यवादः.
That is one thing, and I think one more thing I wanted to tell. Last class, there were a few doubts which I was a bit in a hurry and just signed off. One is that Udirayet, somebody asked me, Ut is the Upasargam, Irikshepe, and it's in Vidiling. Okay, so uttering is the meaning. Jayam means Mahabharatam. And that Saha Brahmacharya Eva Atmanaha Avasthanam Pratikjagni. Somebody asked me whether it is Brahmacharya or Brahmacharyam. I don't know who asked the doubt. It should be Brahmacharyam. It goes as an adjective for Atmanaha Avasthanam. Whoever said that, they were correct. So Jagni, again, somebody was asking about all the lit prayogam. See, what I would suggest is please check ashtatyai.com for such rupam. If there are any, maximum I will try to say, like how in today's class I was telling everything, I would say. So Jagni is again Jani Pradurbhave. It is Litlagara Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Same with Prati Jagni. And one more question somebody asked. Satyavatim Nama Dashakanya. Somebody asked me. See, if there is no Nama, no, then we can say Satyavatim Dashakanyam Pariniya. We can use the sentence like that. But when, see, there is a rule, no? If we use Iti, Dasharataha Iti Raja Asit. So we have to use the Prathama Vibhakti only. So here, though Iti is not there in the sentence, because of the word Nama, we say Satyavati Nama Dashakanyam Pariniya. There, yeah. So that is one thing. And Chakara, somebody asked for the little akara, Chakara Kri Dhatu. And Uparate, you asked. Upa, it's Ram Dhatu only. It means Mrityuhu Ityartaha. Okay. Ikta Pratyayam it is. Okay. Generally, this Ram Dhatu, no, it is a Atmanepadi. Ramate, Ramete, Ramante. So we are supposed to use Shanach. Here, because of the Upasarga, Upa, no, there is a sutram. If we use Vyang Paribhyo, V, Ang, and Upa, when the Upasarga comes, no, it takes the Parasmepadi form also. And somebody was asking me, I don't know who it was, that Ambalika, why it is in Saptami. I don't know who asked. So it is samyogarupena tatra saptami bhavati. कर्मणः संयोगरूपेण व्यासं सत्यवती व्यासं नियोजयामास सत्यवती व्यासं अंबिकायां नियोजयामास. In that sense, the saptami vibhakti comes. Okay, va? Anything else?